Everybody, welcome to week 8. Can you believe we're in our last week already? This course has just flown by for me. But I'm excited for you to be finishing one more course in your MSM program. So week 8. This week we're talking all about providing healthcare advice to individuals who aren't our patients. And once people find out you're a nurse, it's fair game, I think. People think they ask us about everything, and especially family members. Family members will definitely ask you about everything. So this week we're talking about giving healthcare advice, and it was interesting. I recently renewed my malpractice insurance with NSO, Nursing Service Organization, and this time, in addition to my regular coverage, there was a separate additional coverage for actually nurse educators. We don't get sued very often, but it has been on the increase as far as what we teach, how we teach, and also if we're following the correct procedures as far as grievances, treating students fairly, and things like that. So the add-on was something really minor. It was really inexpensive. But I thought it was kind of strange that now the insurance companies are viewing educators as someone who needs a little bit of additional coverage. Who knows? Anyway, I really also liked the articles this week that are provided. They, quite a few of them talk about the link between health and productivity in the workplace. And we know that healthier people will usually lose less time from work due to illness and injury. But some of these studies really bring out some of the finer points about the link between the two. And of course, with so much focus in healthcare now on health promotion, healthcare prevention, that sort of thing, there certainly are a lot more screening tools being developed all the time to see what risk people are at. And we're certainly talking about that in our DQs this week. All right, so I look forward to seeing what you think about these different circumstances that are in our discussion questions. It's really interesting. The last time I taught this course, how many different approaches people came up with to address these two discussion questions that were totally different. So I'm looking forward to reading your posts. I'm also really looking forward to seeing your final assignment. I see that you guys are working right along on it and getting your slides together and that sort of thing, and that'll be really interesting for me. As long as everything's in on time, we'll end our course on Wednesday, and I try really hard to get my grades uploaded for a course by that following Sunday. And so you'll certainly be able to see your final grade in the course, but to actually get it posted, I usually try to get that done by Sunday so everybody can see how they did. All right, if you have any questions or concerns about the CLC assignment, please be sure to ask me, and I'll see you in the main forum.